Hello, welcome to Book to GUI. Today lesson will be familiar with Hypermesh software. So, open the Hypermesh software. It is opening. Okay. While opening Hypermesh software, it is asking to select solver profile. For the time being, we should not be worried for the solver profile. So we can choose any of these out of three. So for the time being, I am selecting OptiStruct. Okay, click on OK. Okay, so in the top left corner you can see something is written like untitled Hyperworks 2020 student edition OptiStruct. So this bar is called as title bar. So here you can see the version of Hyperworks software you are using. Since it is a student edition software, you can see it is written student edition. Okay, below to that you can see something is written like file, edit, view, collector, geometry, mesh, and many more. So this bar is called as menu bar. Okay, whatever the features available in Hypermesh software, you can get access of it from these commands. Below to that, you can see there are a lot of icons are shown. These all are extracted from main menu bar and placed at this location so that user can use it very conveniently. So these are called as, including above these are called toolbar. Why toolbar? Because these are the very frequently used tools. Whenever a CA engineer handle with a model, these are the tools he might require very often. So these are extracted from main menu bar and placed at the different location so that a CA engineer can use it very frequently without searching in main menu bar. Okay, in the left side you can see this white color space area. We'll see that here this area is called the tab area. It has a lot of features. We'll see that when we'll work with model. So for the timing, I can tell you a few things about this area. Here you can see there are a tree where you can get the information of your model, like the properties, material, and the components. All these you can get the information. You can get the information about all those at this location. Okay, here you can get the value of the properties and the value of the thickness and the solver profile, material cut, everything you can see in this region. Okay, so we'll see in details of these two area later part of our lecture when we will work with models. Okay, so below to that you can see here something is written like geometry. So this region is called a status bar. What status bar is? So whenever you are working with any model, whatever operation you did, whether it gets successful or not or unsuccessful, you can get status of it. Or if you are doing any operation, how much percentage work already have been done or what is still pending. So all the status you can get at this location. Your Hypermesh automatically shows you that at this location. Okay, that is why this region is called as status bar. And this blue screen you are seeing, this entirely is called my graphical area. Okay, where you in this region you can work with your model. Okay, so and below to that you can see there is written node line. Okay, before that we will see this region. This is called as menu bar. Okay, in the menu bar you can see geometry, 1D, 2D, 3D, analysis, tool, post. Okay, so wait, I have to move to the geometry. Sorry, we have to convert to the mouse mode. Moment. Okay, so in geometry, moment, it should be in the mouse mode. Yes. So in geometry, this region, as I told you before, this region is called as main menu bar. Menu bar. There are Hypermesh gives a lot of feature, but it is synchronized within this menu. Okay, so if I am selecting geometry, you can see there are many useful commands are coming out. We will see the working of it as when we will work with the model. Now I am giving you the brief introduction of it. So you can see here node means okay, we'll see that what are the actual mean what it actually mean when we will work with the model. So for the time being, you can see where what are the features available in which menu. In geometry you can find nodes, node edit, temp node, distance means you can measure the distance between 2 points or 2 nodes. Okay, so and points, so we'll see the difference between node and points in latter part of our lecture. Line edit, by using this command you can edit your line, your construction line you can edit. Length, surface edit, you can edit your surface and the surface exists in the CAD model. You can also de-feature, we'll see that it is very handy tool. Mid surface, you can extract the mid surface by using this command, we'll see that also. And dimensioning, solid edit, revs, quick edit, edge edit, point edit, auto clean up. So these are the commands you can find in the geometry. So why Hypermesh given geometry? Because when a CAD engineer gives the model to CAE engineer, there might be some of the surface teeth. Maybe when you are since you are importing to another to Hypermesh, so there might be some of the data might be missing. Because of that, there might be any surface issues. To clean all those geometrical issues, Hypermesh given you a lot of handy tools so that you can fix it. So in the next you will see in the 1D you can see mass joints, markers, bar, rod, and all these are the 1D element: bar, rod, rigid, RB3, springs, gaps. So all these we'll see in our next video. So let's see only what are the commands available, since it is our just introductory video for Hypermesh, so only just get through it. So here you can see these are the planes. Okay, they are here using AutoMesh. You can mesh your model. So we'll see. Okay, only then we can move to 3D. In 3D you can do the 3D meshing, analysis, tool, and then you can move to the post. Okay, we are in detail. We'll see in the next in our next lecture what are when we will import the model and we will work on it, we'll see in detail. Okay, thank you, see you in the next video. And if you enjoyed this video, please do like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you. Bye bye.